Hello, in today's video I'll explain the indicator status light on your MOVA Z60 Ultra. That light can indicate different things. Solid white means cleaning or cleanup is completed. Breathing white means charging is in progress and the battery isn't low. When it's solid orange, it is in standby at low battery or paused at low battery. When it's breathing orange, it's charging at low battery. And when it's blinking orange, it has an error. In my case, it looks like it's blue, but it's actually white. Like sometimes probably it will be like whiter on other models, and sometimes it will be more bluish. I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.